Ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention. This video is a beta test of a Python 3 bytecode decompiler project. First, I will show you the code, which is split into several files. Here, we have main.py as the main file. If parse2.py to parse if blocks as the name suggests. Fixing instruction 2.py to fix the instruction flow. libparse.py for basic parsing. And dis3.py, which is Python 3's built-in disassembler with slight modifications. Alright everyone, these are all the core files required. Let's start with a simple piece of code as the first object to be decompiled. Let's create a file called testb. We write a simple code like this. Then save it by pressing Ctrl+X. Then Y and enter. Now let's test the decompilation. Take a look at the load_file function in main.py. This logic works to compile the source code into bytecode. Now let's run it using the command python main.py followed by the file name test.py. We can see the result together. For simple code, the output is very identical. However, this is only simple code. We need larger code for testing. For larger code, I have already prepared the data. I published it on GitHub. Let's open GitHub in Chrome. This repository contains the bytecode files that I use for testing. Copy the link and return to Termux. Next, we need to clone this repository using git clone. Now let's enter the directory we just cloned, the input_file directory. Look at everything here. These are files with more complex code for testing. Let's test using basic_for.py as the second experiment. The result is still fairly good. Now let's try saving it into a custom output file using the following command. The decompilation output is saved in a file called res.py. Let's view the code using the Quick Edit app. Now let's move on to the next stage. Each decompilation process will generate a cache stored in instructions dis.txt. This file contains human-readable instructions. We need to delete this file, because disassembled instructions cannot be compiled. Next, we will decompile all of these bytecode files. Just follow the steps shown in the video. The results look like this. Similar to decompilation in general. Let's save the output again to res.py and view it using Quick Edit. Because this project is still under development and this is a beta test, the decompilation result is not 100% accurate. The current accuracy is still around 80%, and a code optimizer has not been implemented yet. Our target is to finish this project within the next month, and we will push the code to GitHub under Kapten Kaizo once it is complete. All announcements will be continuously updated in our Telegram group chat. By the way, we are lacking raw bytecode files. If any of you have such files and would like to help speed up development, you can contribute by sending those files to us. The method is very simple. Just join our Telegram group via the link available on GitHub. We can discuss, exchange ideas, and brainstorm together there. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much to everyone who watched until the end.